Set the weight. You just need to press enter. Now the target is 10 kg. For example, for ton bag, usually we weigh 1000 kg, or 700 kg, 800 kg. You just need to enter. For example, 1000 kg. 1000 kg. So press enter. Then escape. So now the target is 1000 kg. Then you escape. For adjusting the accuracy, if it's not accurate, you can adjust. F1.2, no need, is 0. F1.3, usually this one is 50 kg. So 50 kg. And this one usually 3 kg. This is we call the SP3. F1.4 is SP3, same as other machine. F1.5 no need change. All others no need to change. Thus escape. So this one is F1.1 is the target weight. F1.2 is the SP1, fast feeding. This one no need. F1.3 is medium feeding. Usually set 50 is okay. And F1.3 is the medium feeding. And F1.4 is the slow feeding. If it's not accurate, you can check this one, F1.4 and F1.3. But this one, this setting usually is already okay. Then escape.